Welcome back to another episode of Nick
and Matt.
Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Miss Closter's here. Matt and I are actually getting ready because we're going on a little field trip today. We're going on a little press trip with Home Depot. We're going to Niagara. It's gonna be like, I think we're going to like a greenhouse or a winery or something like that. I know there's gonna be wine at some point because Niagara, if you don't know, it's like our wine country. Or not country, but like county. Matt, what would you call it? Wine region. So Chloe is actually gonna be watching Miss Cashew, who is just snuggled up like a little bug. Hey, hi, is that your tail? Is that your tail? Yeah. I'm sorry that there's been so much Cashew content lately, but also not, because I just love her and you guys seem to too, so. Yes, you're so cute. You're gonna be so good for Tia Chloe. Okay. So I'm wearing this I wore this for like a video I did with my mom recently, but it's very flowy winery shirt. I felt like I got it from Mendocino for anyone asking. Also, I'm just about to pour myself a green smoothie for breakfast, since that's like my go-to when I'm, not that we're like in a rush, but we do have to leave in 15 minutes and I don't have time to like make something extravagant. It's usually a green smoothie. Let's be honest, even when I have time, it's a green smoothie. So I'm gonna pour that now. So good, I put frozen zucchini in this one. Delicious. All right, we're on the road. Cashew free. It's our first day without her. Yeah. Like we're free, parents. Free. Yeah, so it's a little foggy outside, but it's not raining, so that's a good sign because I did curl my hair, kind of. It's kind of falling out. So I only brought one battery today, so we're gonna have to be very selective on what we vlog because I totally forgot the charger. Not bad. So I have like puppy brain. I forget things all the time, but I did remember my passports because I think we're gonna go across the border. We have to pick up some stuff from our P.O. box, maybe hit Target. We'll see. But yeah, let the adventure begin. Hopefully Chloe is surviving with Cashew. Good luck, Chloe.
She sleeps a lot during the day, so it's a good time for Chloe.
Yeah, she should be fine. All right, we just got to Jeffrey's greenhouse in Jordan, which is like just outside of Niagara. The bus just got here. Can you see it? It's over there. So there was the option to take a coach bus from downtown Toronto, but since we don't live downtown Toronto anymore, it was just easier for us to just like meet them here and then we could go to the P.O. box, so we could just like own our own time and not have to like wait. And also Chloe's puppy sitting Cashew, so in case we needed to go home for any reason, we just thought we would drive. Now I feel out of the loop. We're gonna have to, you know, everyone's best friends now, Matt, and no one.
The guy behind us like drove.
Yeah, actually a few people drove and I wasn't sure if that would happen.
If you don't mind, please.
Oh my god, it's so heavy. Oh shit. All right, let's go say hi to everyone. So we're officially in the Jeffrey greenhouse. It smells so good in here.
Smells like flowers.
It smells like flowers, it does.
Oh, those are okay.
I match the scenery. All these flowers are gonna be going into Home Depot soon. This makes me want to start our garden.
It's too cold outside, it'd die.
It's nice and warm in here though. Oh, behind the scenes. Paparazzi, no more pictures, no more. Okay, leave it to us to be misbehaving. We are way behind. The group is all the way down there, but that makes me feel like I'm gonna get a bike.
Yeah.
I wanna get a bike. It was so much fun. I have rollerblades, but I need a bike now.
Then you have to get a basket to put Cashew in.
She won't even fit. What are you talking about? Cashew will not fit in a basket. She barely fits in my arms.
A big basket.
Yeah. Oh, it's different temperature in each section. I was saying it's kind of like the Hunger Games.
It's interesting to hear like how they do
they
things
use
like
recycled rainwater.
Yeah, everything's only grown by rainwater. They don't have an outside source. So
And they
cool.
have they try to add like a bunch of good bugs instead of just using like fertilizer and pesticides. Yeah.
That's cool.
I'm out of breath from bike riding.
Interesting stuff.
Yeah. Very interesting. Look, we found Wally's cousin.
Dude, slow.
Ta-da! I know this is like our personalities here. Yours is like perfectly done. I'm just a mess. Thinking about one of those. You know what?
Get your mess away from me.
I know.
Get this away.
Oh, they're bigger. So that's the bus that we were supposed to be on. And we just got to the winery. I'm not sure which one this is.
What's the name of this winery? 13th Street Winery.
Oh.
Oh, who's that?
So cute.
I'll love it. I promise.
Hey. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'll take some.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you. I am not driving.
No, it's not display.
They want to sit on the.
You comfortable?
Instagram husband? Okay, wait.
Pull the seat. Enjoy yourselves, everyone.
The photo shoot.
Someone's coming around with drinks. Sorry.
Make yourself at home. Mi casa es su casa.
This looks amazing. Oh wow, my salad has a fin. Oh, is that like a... So this is what's on the menu. Baby kale Caesar.
I think that's some Parmesan tuni.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what that is, but
Spring pasta.
looks good.
Wow.
I need one of those.
Cheesecake.
That's like melted Parmesan cheese.
Right, so now we have pasta. What's this one? Fresh made spring pasta with asparagus, fava beans, peas, tomatoes.
Emily, like, yes. I guess it's just easier for them.
That is fresh pasta.
Yeah. Like there's someone.
I'm coming back here. This is good. All right, we're back in the car. Apparently they have Canada's #1 voted pecan tarts or butter tarts. That's not hard.
How is it?
Oh my god.
Really?
Ranked Canada's best.
Well, it's sticky.
Like what makes it the best?
Oh my
Goodness!
This is insane, Matt.
Really? Oh. I'm gonna go eat one in my car.
I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this. It's so good. Okay, we're gonna drop dress off, and then we're gonna go to States. We wanna get our P.O. box and then Target.
Target.
Going to Target. By the way, do not take plants over the border. That was a pain in the butt. We got, I don't know if I showed, but we got some really beautiful plants as like a take-home gift from Home Depot. And we thought it would be okay if we just claim them, which like you should. It was a whole ordeal. They let us through as long as we return them back to Canada, which we are because we want to plant them. But now we're going to Target, maybe to find some home decor stuff. So we're in the dog section, and guess what we just saw? I saw this online before we got Cashew when I was like shopping for things. Totally forgot about it, and then realized Matt just picked it up. A little avocado stuffy. Not that like she totally has enough toys, but we're getting that. That's the acorn I saw.
That's a different one.
No, I saw that online tue. Acorn. We should get both. Okay, that's the only toys. We were looking to see if there was a treat we should get her. Oh, she needs a mushroom. She doesn't have a mushroom. Because, well, at the end of the day, we'll have to like leave some toys for my mom. Oh, that's cute. So they have a ton of like spring and summer stuff right now. So I'm thinking that we're gonna do, or I'm gonna film a summer Target haul with some things that I got. I'm not going overboard, but I'm getting some cute things. So I thought I might share a video for you guys. So we're in the outdoor furniture section. Look how sweet this is. We want like a faux. Is this faux or fake? Like, sorry, is this a faux or real?
That's fake.
Fake? It looks really cool. So cute. We saw this one last time. I really liked it. Okay, so getting tired. That's our cart there, and we're just at Starbucks having a little
coffee on there.
Oh no. Matt got a coffee. I think I'm gonna get a nice hibiscus tea. And yeah, I'm pretty tired now, and my mom's making ribs tonight, so we're gonna have that for dinner. But Chloe's still with Cashew, so I'm gonna call her once we get over the border. So I feel bad that we're taking a long time, but Chloe, Health Nut headquarters, is getting a facelift. Actually, a lot of stuff is for upstairs, but you know. I was telling Matt he's doing really good for a long shopping day. Not even shopping, like we've been here for 40 minutes. And Matt is like, okay, it's been 20 minutes, how long are you gonna be? Sorry, an hour. Comment down below, an hour at Target is not that long. I spend an hour at a grocery store. But Matt like will just find seats to sit on and read articles on his phone. Are your like boyfriends or husbands like that? Or maybe your girlfriend or wife, I don't know. I like to take my time and make good decisions. I don't want to feel rushed. And you always rush me.
Got things to do.
We are on our way back home.
Almost
Beautiful sunset glow right now. You can't really see it. The sun's like going down, but there's a nice light going on right now. So I was like, ooh, let's end the vlog. So we are heading to, we're basically picking up Cashew, and then we're heading to my mom's because like I said, she made ribs and they sound delicious. They've been cooking in the slow cooker all day. And yeah, Chloe's been telling me about how amazing her ribs are. I feel like we've had them, but it's been a while. Like yeah, she has a famous recipe. It's just, they're like the fall off the bone ribs. So we're gonna go have that. She probably made some mashed potatoes with it, I bet. Maybe I'll get like a little clip on the vlog of what they look like. So good. And we got a lot of stuff in the back. A lot of house decor stuff. Some plants. It's like a random mix of things. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed spending time with us today. And it's probably one of the very few videos without Cashew, although she was in the beginning of this video. So for all of you who hate dogs, you will like this video. I like the ones with Cashew in it all day. But we want to ask you guys for the question of the day today will be, I guess, number one, should we garden this summer? Because you guys know we're in a new place. The backyard like needs so much work. There's nothing. It's basically a blank slate, just waiting for stuff to be done to it. So we want to extend the deck and then possibly put some raised gardening beds because we got a puppy, and also I like the look of the raised ones. And then also for any gardeners out there, I guess, like, do you guys garden? And then for any gardeners out there, what are some tips? Give us some tips. Preferably we want like a vegetable garden. I don't mind some like flowers for the front, but like a Portuguese. I want some veggies. I want kale, tomatoes, lettuce, collard greens, beans. I want all the veggies. So let me know. Should we garden? Do you garden? And give us your tips. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click that red button down below. We post new vlogs here on this channel every single Friday. So if you guys need to catch up, there's also a playlist link down below, and you can start from the very beginning and just binge watch us until you get sick of us. So thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye! By the way, we need a new intro with Cashew. Am I right? Right? Right. Okay, bye guys!